Hi everyone, this is Anna Bansal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study by Now. In my previous videos, I already discussed with some type of matrices. And in today's video, I will discuss with the other types of matrices. So start with the singular matrix. A singular matrix are those matrices whose determinants are equal to 0. For example, if we take the matrix 4, 2, 6, 3. Now we will calculate the determinant of A. For calculating the determinant, we will write the matrix as it is given in the question, that is 4, 2, 6, 3. Now, in determinants, we will cross multiply these two elements. So 4 into 3 and 6 into 2, and both the cross multiplication will be subtracted. So 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12. So its determinant is 0. On the other hand, non-singular matrices are those matrices whose determinants are not equal to 0. Therefore, now the next type of matrix is a submatrix. Submatrices are those matrices which we can obtain by deleting some rows, some columns, or both rows and column from a parent matrix. For example, this is our 3 by 4 matrix. When we delete this entire row and this entire column from the parent matrix, this 2 by 3 matrix is left, such that this 2 by 3 matrix is a submatrix of A. Now, the next is the minor of a matrix. So what is minor of a matrix? If we have a given matrix A and we will calculate its submatrix, then the determinant of a submatrix is known as a minor of matrix. For example, if we have a matrix A 4, 6, 5, 7. Now we will calculate its minor element for 4 element. The minor is, if we calculate the minor of 4, then we will not take this row and this column. Then the remaining element is 7. So A11 is 7. Similarly, when we calculate the minor of 5, we will leave the row 1 and column 2. Remaining element 6 is a minor of 5. For A2 element, 6 is a A2 element. So for calculating the minor of A21, we will leave the second row and first column. So the remaining 5 number is the minor of 6. Last one is 7. So for calculating the minor of 7, we will leave these two, row 2 and column 2. So we will leave with 4. A11, A12, A21 and A22. So 7, 5, 6, 4 is a minor of 4, 6, 5 and 7. Our next type of matrix is a idempotent matrix. So the idempotent matrix is a matrix such that if A is a 0, 1 1 0 and 0 1. So it is called an idempotent matrix when its own square is equals to the same number. 1 0 0 1 is multiplied with 1 0 0 1. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. And 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So we will have 1 0 0 1. That is the own matrix. I do the multiplication of matrices directly here, as I already discussed the multiplication of operation of the matrices. So for the multiplication operation, please check my previous videos. Now, the next type of matrix is an involuntary matrix. Involuntary matrix are those matrices when we multiply or taking the square of a matrix, we got the identity matrix. For example, if matrix A is equals to 0 1 1 0, now taking the A square, so we will multiply the A with its own matrix. Now we got 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So we have 1, 0, 0 and 1. This is our identity matrix. So the given matrix is an involuntary matrix. Now the next type of matrix is nilpotent matrix. The nilpotent matrix are those matrices when we take the square of such matrix, we get the null matrix or a zero matrix in an answer. For example, the example of nilpotent matrix is such that A is equals to 0 0 1 0. When we taking it square, we have 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Then we have 0 0 0 0. This is our null matrix. So in this example, A is known as a nilpotent matrix. Thank you for watching my videos. For further updates, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any query, please write on the comment box. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.